Today we're going to look at the Revolution Hydration Boost Lightweight Hydrating Gel Cream. It comes in this mirror little box. It's 50ml. It says it's vegan, cruelty-free and fragrance-free. It's in this, like I say, this pretty little mirror box. Better skincare, better makeup. Let's open it up. It's got a rose gold lid and the glass, it is glass, a glass jar, which is always very nice. Feels very weighty. It was £8. I purchased from Superdrug website. It says Hydration Boost Lightweight Hydrating Gel Cream. So let's take a look. It feels very nice. Very expensive, shall we say. Has this little lid on top, which is always handy if you can get it off. Oh, and there's the consistency. It's very creamy. Let's put this down and put that in there so we don't waste any. Let's take some off of there. Let's see what it's like. Well, as you can see, it's quite, it's very gel-like. It's a cream and a gel by the look of it. And that has gone in just like that. Look how quick that went in. It doesn't feel greasy. It just feels wet, if you know what I mean. Wet, but not over wet. That looks like it's really good to use. So, yeah. A nice close-up look. I think that will be a good buy, a good purchase, to be honest. Thanks for watching, guys. Until my next product. Bye.